Claude Code just got a huge update that basically turns it into a fully autonomous developer, and it's available right now for free. This is the first time that I've used an AI coding tool where it can literally see your app, catch errors, and fix them without you doing that annoying copy-paste debugging loop. So in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how to start using this new feature so you can build your own apps 10 times faster. This is the first time that I've used an AI coding tool where it can literally see your app, catch errors, and fix them without you doing that annoying copy-paste debugging loop. So in the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you how to start using this new feature so you can build your own apps 10 times faster. So what is this new feature? Well, right now Claude can go ahead and open and launch your app on the browser, and it can test all the possible clicks and functions that there are, and then basically take screenshots and iterate over and over until it fixes this. Before, we only had this feature in Google's anti-gravity, but now we have it installed in Claude Code. Let's go ahead and check out how we can do this. Alright, so Sonnet 4.6 just created a very simple app in just a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna be using these new tools to improve my current app. And by the way, if you want the prompts for this exact app that I made in just a couple minutes, join my free school community and you can obtain them. So I'm right now in the Claude Code desktop app, and we need to be over here because these new features are only available in this app for now, but soon it'll probably be out in the terminal as well. So let's go ahead and just paste this prompt over here where I want to add a new feature for this app, which is a monthly budget limit for each category, etc, etc. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just click on send, and Claude Code is now creating these new features. But the real key is this preview up here. I'm gonna click this preview and click on this icon over here, and now I'm basically enabling this new app preview where Claude Code can see your app, it can open it up and then check out if the UI is right, test it, and make modifications on top of this. And this is a brand new feature that is absolutely insane. So let me go ahead and just continue making this app, and let's check it out. And now, as you can see, it's actually taking screenshots. It opened the app on the web and it's actually going ahead and checking out if everything is okay, checking the errors. As you can see, detected one scroll issue and is now going and fixing it, and is updating me with the screenshots and everything. And this is the new tool. As you can see, another screenshot is checking if all the buttons work, etc, etc. Before, only Google Anti-Gravity could do this, and now, well, we have it on Claude Code, which is amazing, right? Because, for example, me myself, I use Claude Code every single day, so this will be absolutely amazing. The only limitation is that we only have it on the Claude desktop app, but I'm sure that very soon there will be an integration with Cursor and with VS Code extensions and more. It's still doing it. It's still doing screenshots, and it's still looking at everything that it has to fix. It's still checking every single click that it can do. Guys, look at this. It's already testing the new budget feature that I asked it to build, and it's already checking if the functionality is good and all that cool stuff. Man, honestly, I'm surprised. This is my first time checking this out. Everything is working beautifully. Here's a summary, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so going back over here, I'm gonna reload my localhost, and now we should have this feature built. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and join my free school community, because I'm gonna be uploading so many more tutorials about Claude Code, making apps, and all that stuff. And now, yes, with that said, bye bye.